In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a division sign into your Google Docs using the Insert Special Characters tool. If you've ever been working on a document and suddenly realized you need that elusive division symbol, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Google Docs document where you'd like to add the division sign. Make sure you're in the correct document as it saves us from having to move things around later. Once your document is open and ready to go, take a look at the menu at the very top of your screen. You'll see several options lined up there. The key one for today is the Insert menu. Give that a click. Now, a drop-down list will appear with various options that allow you to insert different elements into your document. Among these, you'll want to find and select Special Characters. This option allows you to choose from a vast array of symbols and characters that aren't readily available on your keyboard. After selecting Special Characters, a pop-up window will open. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a search box and an area displaying a grid of characters. To find the division symbol easily, navigate to the search box at the top of the pop-up. In the search box, type the word division. This will quickly filter the characters shown and ensure you're not scrolling endlessly through unrelated symbols. Once you've typed division into the search bar, you'll notice the window displaying options related to your search. Typically, you'll see the classic division symbol, which looks like a line with a dot above and below it, and sometimes a division emoji, which comes with a different visual style but serves the same purpose. Now, with a clear view, it's time to choose. Click on the division symbol or the division emoji that you prefer. It's as simple as that. Clicking on your desired symbol will automatically insert it into the document at your cursor's current location. If you don't immediately see the symbol appear, just double check that your cursor is in the right spot where you wanted the division sign to go. It should be inserted wherever the text cursor is flashing. And there you have it. Your document now properly includes the division sign, completing your work with just the right mathematical touch. This handy little tool can be used for all sorts of different symbols, so it's great to keep in mind for future needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy document editing.